it's pretty scary when they're running. Oh my. Oh. Okay, nibbling move. Yeah. Oh, gliding kick, Sika.
At 41 minutes to record.
41 only?
Yeah, but I bet you it's not. This isn't gonna be 41 minutes.
Probably not.
Alright.
Gladys just kicking her legs like crazy.
Run! You're getting away from me.
You're getting my way.
Oh, Tito. Is this what TV
Cause we have to back up though. Cause what if they want to run? Maybe that's why they're in the corner battling. Oh my! Gladys just pinned to the ground all the time. Gladys just can't escape.
Is it my height or just a little bit wider?
Gladys just can't escape. She's pinned. She's pinned. She's pinned.
I'm not going up close and zooming in.
She's pinned. Gladys is pinned. That's Sika. That one's Sika. His nibbling move on the neck. Oh, 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 that's scary.
This is still my height.
Oh, oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my god, run! I got that on video if they ran into you. Oh my god, run! Okay, I'm going up here. Okay, okay, dog battles. Running. We have a Formula 1 car.
I don't even know. Maybe you saw that.
Okay. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, we got Barks. Gladys running so far. Gladys is the loser. Gladys the loser right now because Gladys is the first one to quit. Got it. Oh, 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 oh my god! They're doing the stick battle. Okay, okay, scary. Scary. You don't want to get impaled with one of these. Listen to the sounds. Gladys has wood in her eye. If you get... Gladys has wood in her eye. Oh no, never mind.
Look at that.
Oh, oh wait, Sika almost won. Sika won. Sika won. Oh, they're going from 2 different directions. It's better shot from the side. This one's Sika. He needs some screen time. Oh, he's angry. Oh man, he's angry.
I haven't zoomed in like a lot.
Yeah? Oh, he's angry. Oh, he's angry. They're both angry. They're both angry. Oh, it's a dust cloud over here. Oh my! Oh, Gladys starting to let go. Sika's choking.
Listen to this.
Oh, what the heck? Okay.
Is that puke or spit?
I think that's just a clump of spit. Now that was insane.
Hey, hey.
Wait, oh. Okay. Oh. Sika's getting...
Alright guys, this is actually really dangerous. Starting with a stick.
Okay, wait.
No.
Oh, guys, here's with a stick. Oh! No, Bodie, you get Glady over there, okay? Sika! Alright, get Glady over here. Sika. Sika, do you want this? You want this? Sika, no. Sika! Okay, you can just let her go. It's dog battle's over. Let her go.
Dog battle's over.
Well,
There we got a G-Dog.
Sika is the winner of today's video.
Bruh, you're getting like...
Sika is the winner of today's video. No, Gladdy wins. They're both equally good. Sika. There's a Corvette right there. Wait. Corvette. Alright.
Look, we got a sick on
Goodbye.
camera.
Sika wins.